Sufyan,
Yeah.
I always do that, but they get upset with me. They get resent with me, so I cannot deal with
Yes,
that.
this is a problem. This
Mhm.
is problem. So you must make your choice and choose good people to deal with, because you have a way of life and way of talking. So they must do what you want, or do it
Exactly.
was.
You know,
Then there is other way to tell him in indirect way.
indirect way. How?
Yes. Well, there is many people who can. I mean, you must have what do they say? A friend that you both share.
Yeah.
He can tell you or hint for him. Give a
Yeah.
hint.
Thank you. That was good. Thank you. Okay, Hussein, I got a question for
نعم.
you, which is,
Yes.
I'm the person who is a homie person. كلمة homie شباب يعني بيتوتي. I don't like to go out with the friends. I'm a homie, and they call me.
Actually, I'm the person that's who sharing his ideas before getting straight on any, let's say, project or any idea. So
Yeah.
I share my idea with others, friends, or my parents, especially because you look for their for any things that I want to do. Maybe I seen one view, but the other's view I couldn't see it. Powerful pressure that breaks the earth crust,
Yes.
and for sure it will be create shock, the shock waves, and probably it's the tsunami.
Good.
Recently, what they called before beginning, how they calculate that
other. This make a great forest, and that will make also a wave. Wave.
great, but be specific. Be specific. If it's
At first, it results from the pressure, specifically a pressure that is caused by extreme stress in the earth cores, and it also.
Look, you, Asel, and Omar and Yasmin in the same island, which is deserted. No one is around you. So I'm going to take example like Yasmin. I'm going to leave Asel and I'm going to leave Omar. So why I should leave them and take Yasmin? So she just give me a good excuse to leave to take her. Got it?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think I have one.
Go ahead, Omar. Come on, convince
Okay.
me.
Look, man,
Yeah.
I'm stuck here. I've been stuck here, maybe from months ago,
Mm-hmm.
and you should take me. And
Why?
you should save me,
Why I should do that?
because I'm a rich man. I have a lot of money. I have a lot of money in my bank.
Even though I'm a good to take you.
Okay. Okay, listen, I'm stuck here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm studying a higher education, and I am the only one in the family who's
Okay.
work. And my parents are so old, so I need to work and I need to give them food, to give them their medicine. They don't have anyone left
Okay.
except me.
Create something else, something that help people to, and like self-development. So I will help people. So I think this is a good excuse.
No,
If you
Asa,
rescue
look,
me.
no, look, Asa, if you are talking about the humanity, all these things, over here is dying, nothing else. No working about humanity, no working at all. So I don't care about humanity, I don't care about scientists, I don't care about anything. So your excuse is really weak. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll let you get the other two. I will convince you to get the other two to rescue them, and I will stuck in the desert in the island,
Yeah.
and I'll make it. I
You
made
will,
it there.
you will never make it. I will take one
No,
of you. Dr. Shema, what is your excuse to take you?
If he would risk me by the sea, I would say I'm a good swimmer and I have a good healthy. I
Yeah.
can help you when the shark is coming. I can do all my best so to keep you in safe.
No, but I just
So
came with
I,
with a helicopter. So I just need you to jump in the helicopter. Plus, you
oh,
have to you have to just convince me to
so
take you.
so I'm a prime minister for the one of country. So you must will help me
You
to
you
get me
will
back to my
you will never
country.
get that chance.
That's it. If you're going to be the minister, I'm going to give you the helicopter. By the way.
You see, that's good point. So I must be in a good job that's control of something
Yeah.
and healthy and young. So he will help me in that way.